Welcome to our journey through the exciting world of Solana NFT marketplaces. In this video, we'll delve into the vibrant ecosystem of non-fungible tokens powered by the Solana blockchain. Before we dive into Solana's NFT marketplaces, let's quickly recap what NFTs are. Non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of digital or physical items, ranging from art and collectibles to virtual real estate. Solana is a high-performance blockchain known for its scalability and low transaction fees. Its fast transaction speeds and low costs make it an ideal platform for hosting NFT marketplaces, enabling creators and collectors to interact seamlessly. Several platforms have emerged within the Solana ecosystem dedicated to NFT trading and creation. Some of the notable ones include Solana, Magic Eden, and Solanart. Each offers unique features and a diverse range of digital assets. Solana is one of the pioneering NFT marketplaces on the Solana blockchain. With its user-friendly interface and diverse collection of digital artworks, Solana has quickly gained popularity among creators and collectors alike. Magic Eden is another prominent Solana-based NFT marketplace known for its curated selection of digital collectibles and seamless trading experience. Its intuitive interface and robust features make it a go-to platform for NFT enthusiasts. Solanart stands out as one of the largest NFT marketplaces on the Solana blockchain, offering a wide array of digital assets, including art, gaming items, and virtual real estate. Its vibrant community and innovative features contribute to its growing popularity. Solana's blockchain infrastructure brings several advantages to the NFT space, including faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and enhanced scalability compared to some other blockchain networks. With the continued development of the Solana ecosystem and the growing interest in NFTs, the future looks bright for Solana-based NFT marketplaces. As adoption increases and new innovations emerge, we can expect even more exciting developments in this space. As we conclude our exploration of Solana NFT marketplaces, it's evident that this ecosystem offers a wealth of opportunities for creators, collectors, and investors. Whether you're passionate about digital art, gaming, or virtual assets, Solana's NFT marketplaces provide a dynamic environment to explore and engage with unique digital experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Solana NFTs.